Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today laid foundation for Rongjeng Stadium in East Garo Hills in presence of Sports Minister Shakliar Warjri and MLAs Jim Sangma and Rupert Momin. The stadium is being constructed at an estimated cost of 9.25 crore, which include development of football ground and construction of spectators gallery. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said that creation of Rongjeng subdivision and other infrastructure which are coming up in the region is a testament of the vision of late P.A. Sangma for Rongjeng. He informed that the government has envisioned to upgrade 25 football playground in the state with artificial turf.
Late P.A. Sangma kuba ya sumay bako ang abiko giskra. Aro dung taman sa ang abiko matela. Meine Rongjeng constituency dentang development rangko